All right, here's number 3. If you notice, number 3 has a conclusion that's quite complex. That conclusion, though, is a conjunction. That is, the main operator of this big long sentence is the ampersand, or the conjunction. Okay. Now look at the right conjunct of this conjunction, and you'll notice it's the very same as the first premise. The left conjunct we don't have as a premise anywhere, but we do have T, which is part of that left conjunct. It's the left disjunct of this disjunction, which is itself the left conjunct of this big long conjunction. All right, so the first thing I see that we can do is I'm going to start with premise 2, and I'm going to do addition on premise 2 to derive T or L. That's addition on 2. Now, once I've done that, I can go right to the conclusion, which is T or L, and actually, let me show you a mistaken way of doing this before. If I just wrote T or L and R and S, and then I said, oh, that's just conjunction on lines 1 and 3, then that's mistaken. That's wrong. Why? Because what I've written here is not a well-formed sentence in our symbolic language. And the reason is because if I'm reading the sentence through, I don't know which operator to treat as the main operator. I mean, it could be this one, it could be this one, it could be this one. And in each case, I'm going to get a different sentence. The sentences don't mean the same thing. So since what I'm conjoining is the R and the S on the one hand, and the T and the L on the other hand, I've got to make sure that I represent that in my... actually, I'm just going to copy and paste this. I'm going to represent that in my... the way I join them together, group the sentences together. So that's what it should look like for number 3.